Bye. Bye.
Instead of going here, I'm like ripping onto the train.
Yes.
Oh well. Alright. OG Great Adventure. Holding on to this part is not smart. You're just gonna catch all the roughness.
Not designed with cameras in mind.
This is good. Oh, the tree!
Oh no.
Punch the tree.
My riders will be doing that ride. Woo!
That ride truly is quiet.
Runaway, forget me.
Forget New Jersey.